Let's look at some examples of how we determine the null and the alternate hypothesis. We have a claim that the percentage of people who believe in global warming is 68%. So we can state that the original claim is that the population proportion is 0.68. So the competing claim would be everything except this, everything that's not this. So what that would be is it's bigger than 0.68, greater than 0.68, or less than 0.68, but it's not 0.68. So we can use the not equal to sign to represent that it is not 0.68. That's everything else, right? Okay, so now our null hypothesis, this is always the easy one because we don't have a choice. This is where the equal sign goes. It's just when we get to the alternate that we have to do a little bit of thinking here. Okay, so remember the null hypothesis has the condition of equality. So we look back up here, the one with equality is the original claim, so the alternate hypothesis would have to be the same as the competing claim, not 0.68. Okay, let's look at another example. Okay, our claim is that the mean amount of annual precipitation in Knoxville is less than 48 inches. So let's do the same thing again. What's our original claim? The mean is less than 48 inches. So what competes with that this covers every other condition. The mean would then be greater than or equal to 48 inches. So now we've covered all possibilities here. Alright, so HO always equal to, so the mean is 48 inches. So we see that the competing claim now is the one that has the condition of equality, so our alternate hypothesis must be the same as the original claim. The mean is less than 48 inches. So the condition of equality goes with the null hypothesis. So whatever the other one is, that's our alternate hypothesis. Okay, one more example. Okay, our claim is that the mean amount of chocolate consumed per person in the United States is at least 12 pounds. So the original claim the mean is at least 12. That means it's greater than or equal to 12 pounds. At least. The least it could be is 12. Okay, the competing claim covers every other possibility, and the only thing left is less than 12 pounds. So our null hypothesis is that the mean is 12 pounds, and the alternate hypothesis will now go with the competing claim, because the condition of equality is on the original claim, so what the competing claim says is the mean is less than 12 pounds. So if you'll write it out this way with the original claim, the competing claim, you won't ever get your alternate hypothesis wrong.